Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Food. Today let's cook wonton. In China we call it wonton. Let's prepare the meat filling first. 5 grams of ginger, 5 grams spring onion, 1 gram Sichuan pepper, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 100 grams hot water. Soak for 20 minutes. Take out all the ingredients. We only need the water. 350 grams ground pork, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, 3 grams white pepper sauce, 2 grams 5 spice powder. Now we gradually add quite a little bit of onion ginger water to the meat. Stir constantly in a clockwise direction until no more liquid can be seen. We chop some spring onions. I like spring onions flavor a lot, so I put around 100 grams. You can put any quantity for your taste. We spread the preheated olive oil on the spring onions. Add a little more salt. Mix the spring onion with meat well. To save time, I bought the ready wonton wrapper. There is a problem of the ready wrappers. They are not sticky enough, so we also need some water to help. We spread some flour to avoid the wonton sticking on the silicone baking mat. Now let's start. If this is your first time to make it, it's better not to put too much fillings. A little water here to help wrap it. Let's do it again. Take the wrapper, fill it, roll it, wet it, then wrap it. If didn't close well, we can put a little more water to help, or a little stress. If you don't like pork, beef or chicken or shrimp also work well. After the water boiling, we put some wontons inside. Move them a little very gently to avoid sticking to the bottom of the pan. While cooking, we prepare the sauce here. 5 grams cilantro, a pinch of dried small shrimps, 5 grams nori, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, some boiling water. Three minutes later, the wontons are ready. Let's enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you next time.